Sanibonani and welcome to my YouTube channel. Where guys, it's been few days manje following indaba kaMiss Mseleko and uMr Khoza uBonko Khoza. Right, so Miss Khoza said that she might not go back to acting since she did something in the past, right, which is 2023, and something happened to her who said, and since then they've been saying that they were dealing with the situation, but according to her eyes she didn't see any dealing. So she wasn't set to red ink with Ubongo, and Ubongo did something that made her feel unsafe, or did something that made her think that this is him going too far. That was not what was on the script, and that was not what was choreographed or directed or anything. And Ubongo admitted that he did something wrong. He went too far. He was in character, and he's sorry, and whatnot and whatnot. At that time, the producers, the directors, and everyone that was there said that yes, what he did was wrong and unprofessionally, and they were gonna deal with it. But the dealing she didn't see. Now she decided to go to the social media and tell people that the reason why you might never see me go to TV is simply because I spoke against someone who's very, very big in this industry. And people, women that deal with the organization, GPV and everything, they stood by him even though they knew that what he did was wrong, even though they witnessed it. You understand? But they did nothing about it. So we've been like following this whole thing until yesterday. Ubongo took out a statement saying that he understands and he respects the allegations, and he takes what they said about him very, very seriously. And he's not gonna say that people shouldn't. So they've been dealing with this thing since, because it happened on September 2023. So they've been dealing with this thing for 2.5 years, much. And they went to the police. She went to Miss Mseleko went to the police station to open a case against him, and they investigated, and it turned out that the footage didn't show anything inappropriate. Yabo. And Ubongo believes that girl has been doing this. Kuwonke said that she has been involved kuwona, saying that my cast members did this and that to her. Yeah, understand? And Yena, he's a husband and a father. This thing is taking a lot of toll between Yena and the family. And this thing is just like too much for him. Nitin Maranene, guys, what are you saying?